Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to receive push notifications for pages you follow on Facebook using your PC. With these simple steps, you'll never miss updates from your favorite pages. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook by navigating to facebook.com in your browser. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the notifications icon. It looks like a small bell. Click on it. Next, locate the three dots icon near the top of the notifications panel. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notification Settings. Once you're in the Notification Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pages You Follow. Click on this option to open its settings. Now it's time to enable push notifications. Look for the toggle switch next to push and turn it on. This ensures that Facebook will send real-time updates from the pages you follow directly to your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for pages you follow on Facebook. From now on, you'll stay informed about all activities and updates from your favorite pages. Thank you for watching and enjoy staying connected with your favorite content.